Okay, just trying to show some new things I'm working on here at the old train yard. Didn't have enough projects, so I figured I'd get this 1920 to 30 vintage Lionel cleaned up and painted someday. Yes, that's the idea. I needed more projects. Still trying to get my shelves in order. And things are coming along. Oh yeah, there's old Grandpa Sullivan's train line. Well, yeah. So, just a quick video, a few things are run, and go from there. There we go. Nice tanker roads down here with yes, we got the tank cars running today with the big Norfolk Southern XD70. Very nice. Going through the S-turns. Oh yeah, I see the General is coming around. We've just been working on him. So I'm going to do a little more. And do another couple of tracks I run. I got the Dad's old Southern up here. Running pretty good. Nice. Very nice. Boy, that's a big old heavy train. And then still down in the, oh no, I can't show you that one. We had a little derailment over there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's fix that first. Oh, there you go. That's going to be the power station once I get that finished. So, hope you enjoyed it. I won't make it too long. Talk to you again soon. Bye.